This is going to be a video tutorial on how to use and display the word counter in Google Docs. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Google Docs here, where I have just a little example opened up here. To turn on the word counter in Google Docs, you need to go up to the Tools tab at the very top, select that, and then you just go down here to where it says word count. The keyboard shortcut for that is Control-Shift-C. I'm going to click on it, and then it tells you this has 2 pages, the word 318 words. It tells you the amount of characters. It tells you the amount of characters excluding spaces. And you can click this box here, like say you're working on a project and you got to get to a certain amount of words. You can click on this here, display word count while typing, and click OK. And down here in the lower left hand corner, you can see it says I have 318 words here. And if you click on it, it'll give you all the information. There's 2 pages. It'll tell you the characters excluding spaces. And you can click on hide word count and it disappears. And to bring it back up, you just go back to Tools, word count. That's how you display the word counter in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.